Greetings, fellow couponers and shoppers. Today is Friday, September the 10th, and here we go with week one of the latest mega sale of the buy five or more items and get $1 off for each item. And so let's go. I did pick up four, six, seven items here. The Chobani oat milk was $2.49. I had both two e-coupons. Manufacturers, I believe, for $1 and $1.50 on, let me check here, $1.50 on one, and the other was $1 on one. I can't remember exactly which one was the store coupon and which was the manufacturer. And I could have just got one, and both of them probably would have come off. But there, I still had the Kroger CashBack for $3.99 off of two, so that got pulled too, even with using the coupon. So this ends up being a pretty good deal. I paid $5 for it, getting four back from Kroger Cashback, and $2 for the $2.50 on the coupons. Now these Dua, whatever they are, these 7.8 ounce plant-based cheese. This one 7. We have both of them. This one is cheddar style, and this is American. These were part of the mega sale also at $2.50. And there is an Ibotta rebate, a nice big fat $2. I'm sorry, these are $2.99, and the Ibotta rebate is $2.50, so it makes them 49 cents. There is a limit of 3 on those. My store was just about out. I got the last American, and I think they only had one or two more of the whatchamadoodles there, the cheddar cheese one. The Kraft, my store shows it at $1.19. The hang tag said 99 cents, and it rang up at 99 cents. Imagine that. And then last year I got the two these Ocean Spray, these fruit snack or whatever they are, blends. As you can see, one bag is a lot bigger than the other bag, even though they're both 5 ounce. That was $2.49, and then Ibotta's got a $2 rebate on both of those, makes that 49 cents. And plus there's a 10-cent any fruit snack. So I got back I think $9.80 or something like that from Ibotta. And that includes the keto here, the ratio yogurts is the keto friendly ones. These were not on sale. They're $1.49. Now, like I said, Ibotta's got 75 cents off the two. I had one e-coupon for 30 cents off of one, and then I applied for the another 30-cent coupon over on the coupons.com app. And then I also got 50 fetch reward points, extra points for that. So even though they were full price, not on sale, it did come out pretty good on them. And I got a quarter back on the ratio bonus. I guess I've done these once before. But anyway, I got $1 back from Ibotta and 60 cents on two coupons, and despite them being $1.49, so it wasn't too bad, plus the fetch rewards. These have gone up. They used to be, I think, 83 cents, now 99 cents, but I had a quarter e-coupon. And I just picked up some Pet Pride. These were just 50 cents. These used to be 45, now they're 50. And I had $1 off of any Dole premium or salad kit. It doesn't have to be premium. And these were on sale for $3.99. I did do two of the weekly deals. I picked up some ground turkey for, I believe, $2.49, and a couple of the 18-count Kroger eggs for 97 cents, and that's pretty much it. It was over $50 when I pushed the pay button, and it got down to about $34, $34. So it wasn't too bad. Thanks for watching. Bye.